everybody. So today we'll be going out for a flight. As you can see, it's perfect weather for flying. There's hardly any clouds. We finally got a nice break. It's been pretty overcast for like the last week or so. So it's good to be able to go out there. It's a nice October day, not too cold. It's mid-50s. It's gonna be heating up maybe like mid-60s or low 70s a little later. So today, depending on how busy the airport is, and it's probably gonna be busy, we're gonna go to Montauk because we only have a short amount of time before we have to bring the plane back. So Montauk's like a nice little trip from Republic, maybe 45-50 minutes away, and then we can spend about an hour and a half, 2 hours there, and come back. If we can get out of the airport really early though, we'll go out a little further east to Block Island, which is part of Rhode Island, and that's a nice little airport, and they have a nice restaurant right there at the airport we can have breakfast at or brunch. So looking forward to that, and we'll see how today goes. I haven't flown in about 2 weeks, so and Block Island does have a lot of crosswinds, so my landings are probably not going to be so smooth, but should be okay. Today is actually forecast not to be a very windy day, so as you can see, like the flag's not even waving, so that's a good news for me, and my landing shouldn't suck so bad today. Alright, see you later. Bye.
Still clear to land, 551 Tango Golf, thanks.
Traffic, 2 mile final.
Line up and way, runway 15 Victor.
Cessna 58 Victor, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, Cessna 58 Victor.
Alright, feet on the floor, full power. Alright, everything's in the green. Airspeed is coming alive. 46, 55, rotating. Positive rate of climb. Really good climb today, 900 feet per minute, almost 1,000.
You didn't feel his weight?
Nope.
Good. For your 4767.
There?
Yeah.
So we can go right over this, go right to him.
Cherokee 52, go back left down.
I need the frequency for Oxford.
Traffic 1.5 mile final, Northern Lights.
118.475.
118.475?
Yeah.
Oxford Tower, Skyhawk 1158 Victor is about 10 miles southwest of the
One on target, Victor, Oxford Tower, roger. Keep your seat straight in or left base, your choice, runway 36.
Straight in, runway 36, Skyhawk 1158 Victor.
Roger, Victor, report a 3 mile final.
Report 3 mile final on 5 again.
This trip is really quick. It's like 20 minutes.
Yeah, if we would have planned ahead of time, it would have went a lot smoother.
That's fine. You just got a little flustered.
I'm gonna need the picture of the... Well, actually, let me look at it now so I can get an idea. It's probably gonna put us on right turn on golf. Officer Skyhawk 115 Victor
58 Victor, wind 2603, runway 36, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 36, Skyhawk 115. Yeah, the trees look nice.
Yeah, it's very red right here. Or maybe it's just because we're closer. I don't understand how you're supposed to be able to see the windsock from up here, because I don't see a thing.
Yeah, I mean, I see it. Get over this power line.
Please. Oh, this guy's waiting for you.
I don't care, he can wait.
No, I'm not rushing you. I was just pointing it out. He's lining up and waiting. Yeah, the colors are so nice.
Available.
Uniform runway 36, line up and wait. Alright, 58 Victor, where you parking?
We'd like to go to a restaurant.
58 Victor, turn right at Gulf and contact ground point 65. You may have to wait a little bit. I don't think they open for another 15 to 20 minutes or so.
Roger, thank you. 58 Victor, contact ground.
Okay, so a little bit of an update. We just landed in Oxford, Connecticut. We just parked the airplane, and we want to go to this restaurant, but they're not open yet. It's like 10 minutes to 12. They open at 12. This is a bit of a detour. We were going to go to Montauk, and then the backup plan was if Montauk's not, if we can't, well, if we had enough time, we would have went to Block Island. But it turned out that Republic Airport was so crowded and we spent so much time just taxiing that we decided to just take a detour and come here to Oxford, Connecticut for lunch. But it turns out the restaurant's not open yet. So we're just waiting maybe another 15 minutes, staff to get here, and then we'll probably have some kind of brunch or something. So looking forward to that. Just do a quick check, look around at the airplane before we take off. Looks like the weather's still pretty nice. So, beautiful day for flying. Alright, so just make sure no birds nestled in here while we were away. Propeller looks nice and smooth. Belt is still on. Oil. Good. Because we have the control wheel lock in. Remove the control wheel lock. Alright, so fuel's good. Static port's good. Strap and the pitot. It's clear. Fuel vent is clear. Okay, looks good. I think we're good to fly.
5-8 Victor with information, Juliet, ready to taxi, would like to depart southwest at restaurant 120.
Cessna 5-8 Victor, runway 36, taxi via Golf and Alpha. Cross runway 36 at Golf.
Roger, taxi via Golf and Alpha, cross runway 36, Skyhawk 1158 Victor. Okay. You good to go?
Yeah.
Windows closed.
Is the vacuum green okay?
It's okay because we're at low power right now. Once we go up, we'll do the 118.475.
November ready, 5-8 Victor, runway 36, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 36, 1158 Victor.
Number 1 Fox Papa, turn left at Golf, contact ground point 65. 5-8 Victor, runway 36, clear for takeoff, stay direction.
Clear for takeoff, runway 36, 1158 Victor, would like to go southwest.
5-8 Victor, roger, left turn out approved.
Roger, 5-8 Victor. Alright, heels on the floor, full power, engines in the green, RPMs in the green, airspeed, coming alive. 38, 40, 55, rotating. Turning crosswind.
What are you climbing to?
Just trying to climb to 4,000. Or just above it, really, 4,500. Why? Republic Tower, Skyhawk 1158 Victor, information Romeo at Northport South, altitude 3,200 about 6.
Thomas Bay 11, extend down on flight base.
Extend down, 1 here on the base.
Cessna 1158 Victor, Republic Tower, straight in runway 19.
Straight in, runway 19, Cessna 58 Victor. 19 straight in.
Romeo.
Oh, like a pumpkin patch.
Side the band, calling inbound.
Republic Tower, Skyhawk 1158 Victor, final.
Cessna 1158 Victor, continue inbound, sir.
Sorry, say again, 58 Victor.
Reduce your speed, you're too close to your traffic.
Roger, 58 Victor.
Which traffic?
I see somebody on the runway.
Yeah. Is he moving?
Cessna 58 Victor, runway 19, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 1958 Victor. Okay, good. Now I can speed up because we're about to stall here.
I know, I can feel it, it's so slow.
One Echo Bravo, keep the speed up. You'll underfly a Piper above you, forward left, half a mile, 2,200.
Can we have in sight? I'll increase the speed. Republic Tower, Cherokee 83974, capture you with Romeo inbound.
Cherokee 83974, Republic Tower. Support the midfield left downwind runway 19.
Left downwind, left midfield down.